Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this platform. Okay, so what this platform is all about is just logging in every day and you complete simple tasks. Okay, so right here you can see I have 1014 naira right here. Okay, so this is what I actually made, just few minutes of testing out this website. Okay, so guys, trust me, this website is actually a new website and it has been paying people already. Okay, so on daily basis you're gonna be making money for yourself on this website. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna walk you through how you can sign up and how you can complete those tasks and start making money for yourself on this platform. Okay, so guys, before I take you through this process, I would say if you're new on my channel, if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button. So make sure you turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I drop new contents like this, you'll be the first to see the video and then you can watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, we are on our way to 1k subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can hit the 1k subscriber in a very short time. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to take you through the process right now. So right here, once you log into this website, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description of the video. Okay, so once you just click on the link, you're going to be directed to the sign up page. Okay, so right here, after signing up, you're just going to come on your dashboard and click on this icon right here showing 3 dash. Okay, so once you click on it, you're going to see several ways you can earn money on this platform. Okay, so right here you can see read and earn, you can see complete tasks, and you're still gonna earn money. Right here you can see mine and earn, right here you can see click and earn, right here you can see spin and earn, right here you can see match and earn, right here you can see sponsored post. Okay, and right here you can see referrals. Okay, so you can refer and earn, you can complete tasks and earn, you can read blog post and earn, you can click on ads and still earn money. Okay, so there are a lot of ways you can earn money on this platform. Okay, but guys, there is one thing I need you to know before you can sign up on this platform. Okay, this platform is actually free. Okay, it's actually free to sign up, but if you're signing up for the free package, you have to take a lot of time before you can make money, like enough money on this platform. Okay, but if you're signing up for the paid plan, trust me, you're gonna be making a whole lot of money for yourself. Okay, so guys, let me quickly show you the difference between the free plan and the upgrade, so you're gonna choose for yourself what is best for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this upgrade right now and I'm gonna show you the difference. Okay, so right here I just clicked on it, you can see it's loading right here, so let's just wait for it to show up the page. Okay, so right here you can see this is what you're gonna be making every day on this platform if you're using the free plan. Okay, so right here you can see okay, right here you can see daily earnings 19 naira lifetime. Okay, so it's actually for a lifetime. You can see if you read comment, you can be making up to 1, 2 or 9 naira daily for reading for reading posts and commenting. Okay, so right here for completing tasks, you can be making up to 16 naira daily. To click on and on ads, you can be making up to 3 naira. To mine, you can be making up to 16 naira. To spin and earn, you can make spin and earn is actually not available for free plan, and match and earn as well is not available for free plan. Okay, so for sponsored posts, you're gonna earn 15 naira. For welcome bonus, okay, if you're using my link to sign up on this platform, you're gonna be getting 1k as a bonus. Okay, you're gonna be getting 1k as a bonus. Okay, so right here you can see if you refer people, you're gonna be getting 200 naira as a referral bonus, and right here you're gonna get 50 naira as indirect referral bonus. Okay, so totally what you're gonna be making daily on this plan, it's not gonna be more than 90 naira. Okay, that's after you get the 1000 naira for sign up bonus. Okay, here you need to have up to 12,000 naira before you can be able to withdraw if you are using the free plan. Okay, you need to have up to 12,000 naira before you be able to withdraw on this platform. Okay, but you can actually withdraw your referral earning anytime you like. You can see it right here, it is written 247. Okay, so you can actually withdraw your referral earning anytime you like, but for the activities you have to make up to 12,000 naira before you can withdraw. Okay, so that is actually for the free plan. Okay, so right now let's just check on the paid plan, which is 2,000 naira. Okay, and trust me, if you're paying this 2,000 naira, you're gonna be getting back, let me check, you're gonna be getting a welcome bonus of 500 naira. Okay, apart from the 1,000 you've been given already for signing up on the free plan, they're still gonna give you 500 naira inside the 2,000 that you're gonna be signing up with. Okay, so you can actually continue with the free plan, but trust me, all you're just gonna be making there is just peanuts. Okay, so you might just be wasting a whole lot of time instead of investing 2,000 and start making something meaningful for yourself daily. Okay, so right here let's just go through. Okay, so total earning, what you're gonna be earning daily on this platform if you're going for the 2,000 naira plan is 700. Okay, and okay, if you read comments, okay, if you read and comment on posts, you're gonna be making from 30 naira to 150 naira daily for this. And right here to complete tasks, you're gonna be making from 10 naira to 80 naira daily. Okay, so you scroll down and okay, right here to click and earn, you're going to be making up to 30 naira. To mine naira, you're going to make up to 80 naira. To spin and earn, you're going to make up to 110 naira. To match and earn, you're going to make up to 80 naira. Sponsored posts, you're going to make 200 naira. Welcome bonus, you're going to get 500 naira. Referral bonus, you're going to get 1,200. Wow. Okay, so anybody you refer on this platform, once they sign up using your link and they make payment, you're going to get 1,200 naira for yourself. And if the person you refer still refer somebody that makes payment, you're still gonna get 250 naira for yourself. Okay, so right here you can see minimum amount you can withdraw is 7,000 naira. Okay, so on this paid plan, if you have up to 7,000 naira, you can be able to withdraw your money. Okay, but for the referral aspect, you can as well withdraw once you have up to 700 naira. Okay, so guys, you can see the big difference between the both of them. Okay, so you can see the big difference between the both of them. And one sweet thing about this website again is your referral earning, you can actually use it to upgrade to the paid plan. Okay, so maybe you sign up for the free plan and you were able to refer like two or three people and your money gets up to 2,000 naira. You can just use it to upgrade to the paid plan. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna walk you through how you can complete some of these tasks, but trust me, I don't want this video to be too long, so I might not be able to show you everything. Okay, so you just log in on the website, make sure you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video so you can just check out all this for yourself. Okay, so right here what you're just going to do is you're just gonna read on post. So once you click on, they're going to show you posts that you're gonna click on every day. Okay, so once you just click on the post, you're gonna be directed to a page. So once you get there, you just read for a few seconds and then you come back and the money will be added to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so right here you can see these are the posts. Okay, so once I just click on it, it's just gonna direct me to a page, and once I spend like 5 to 10 seconds on the page and I come back, the money will be added to my dashboard. Okay, but guys, if you really want to make cool money from this website, make sure you go for the 2,000 naira plan. Okay, it's nothing compared to what you're going to be making on this platform. Okay, 2,000 naira is just a peanut compared to what you're going to be making on this platform. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to log out right now and then walk you through how you can sign up on this platform. Okay, so once you use the link in the description of this video, you're going to be directed to this place. Okay, you can see this is the sign up page. Okay, but trust me, make sure you use that link, because if you don't use the link, you might miss your 1,000 naira welcome bonus. Okay, so make sure you use that link to sign up so you're not gonna miss that bonus. Okay, so right here you're just gonna type in your full name. Okay, so here you type in your email address and here you type in a username. Okay, referral is actually optional, but if you're using my link my name is automatically going to show up here. Okay, so you just create a strong password for yourself, and then you click on this icon right here showing I agree to the site terms and conditions. So after that, you just click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Okay, but I already have an account with this guy, so there's no need creating another account. Okay, so guys, let me quickly show you how you can put in your withdrawal details. Okay, so once you get to the threshold for withdrawal, you're just gonna go through this process, and then you withdraw your earning. It's gonna be paid directly to your bank account. Okay, so what you want to do is just to click on this icon right here. Okay, you can see this icon right here. So once you just click on it, it's gonna show a page. Okay, so right here you're just gonna click on account settings. Okay, so once you click on account settings, it's gonna take you to another page where you're going to just input your account details. Okay, and trust me, this website is actually automated. You're going to be paid automatically. Okay, but you can actually reset it if you want. Okay, so that is how their payment method is. So right here you can see where you type in your account name, you type in your bank name, and then your account number. Okay, so once you just finish typing them in, you just save it. Okay, so once you save it, that's all, it has been uploaded. Okay, so guys, make sure you try out this website, and if you find value in this video already, make sure you hit the like button. Go on the comment section below, tell me where you're watching this video from. Okay, so tell me where you're watching this video from, so I can make more research and then look for more websites that pays in your country. Okay, so guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 1k subscriber, guys, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping more legit updates on this channel. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.